BittyBrush. Hi kids. Today we will draw a mixer truck. Step by step. Wheel number 1. Wheel number 2. Wheel number 3. Well done. Let's draw a mixer. Great. Headlights. Let's paint our mixer truck. The color is red. The color is orange. Yellow color. The color is green. Blue. And red again. Great! What a beautiful multicolored truck we get. And now let's paint the body blue. Do you like the color blue? I am yes. Yellow. Orange. Let's paint the wheels black. It's amazing. It's very beautiful. We are waiting for you again. Let's go.